Bonjour mes amis! Now we're going to start writing our script for our documentary. So I'm opening the document that I already made, titled Script. I'm going to start by giving it a title. I'm just going to call it Bienvenue en France. That means welcome to France. You can call yours whatever you'd like, as long as it has your country's title in it, your country's name in the title. Okay, so this assignment tells me that I need to start with a greeting. I'm going to look over my vocabulary words in my Quizlet. I'm going to find a greeting. So I could start with bonjour, I could start with coucou, I could start with quoi de neuf. I think for the tone I want to set for my documentary, I'm going to start with bonjour. Alright, the next thing I have to do is introduce myself. So again, if I look at my vocabulary words, I can see that I can say my name is by saying je m'appelle. I'm going to go ahead and write je m'appelle Katie Leonard. And then finally, you're going to welcome the viewer to your country. That's easy. I already have that as my title, welcome. Also listed here on our vocabulary list is bienvenue. Bienvenue en France. Alright, that is all you have to do, and now you have your opening for your documentary.